Today we'll talk about how can you select font size on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your periodic table app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here in this sign down here, and you just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, then you click on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you come here to font size, and here can you select your font size here if you want to add it small or normal or big here. So here can you select it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.